When applying for a loan from Absa Bank, several common issues may arise that can delay or even reject your application. Understanding these issues and how to address them is crucial to a successful loan application. First, ensure you meet the eligibility criteria, which typically includes being a South African citizen, having a valid identity document, and being at least 18 years old. You must also have a stable income and a good credit record. One common issue is incomplete or inaccurate documentation. Make sure you provide all required documents, including your identity document, proof of income, and proof of residence. Double-check that all information is accurate and up to date. Another issue is a poor credit record. Absa Bank uses credit scoring to evaluate your creditworthiness. If you have a history of late payments, defaults, or debt judgments, your application may be rejected. Check your credit report and address any errors or negative entries before applying. Insufficient income is also a common problem. Absa Bank has minimum income requirements for loan applicants, and if your income is too low, your application may be declined. Consider applying for a smaller loan amount or exploring other loan options with more flexible income requirements. Failure to disclose all debt obligations is another issue. Absa Bank requires you to disclose all your debt obligations, including credit cards, store cards, and other loans. Failing to do so can lead to your application being rejected. To avoid these issues, carefully review the loan application requirements and ensure you meet all the criteria before applying. Check your credit report and address any errors or negative entries. Provide accurate and complete documentation, and disclose all your debt obligations. By understanding these common issues and taking steps to address them, you can increase your chances of a successful loan application with Absa Bank. Remember to always read and understand the terms and conditions of the loan before accepting it.